First of all, open your experience in Roblox Studio. Now select the Home tab and activate Explorer and Properties. Now, under Explorer, you have to find out the Sound Service. Right-click on Sound Service. Hover over on Insert and Insert Object. In here, we have to search Sound. Add Sound. That's how. Go ahead and add multiple sound under the sound services to make a playlist. So in my case, I'm going to create a playlist using 3 songs. So here's I've added total 3 sound. And now we have to add sounds for each sound object. So select the first sound. Under properties, here you will find sound ID. To get sound ID, go to your browser, open Roblox. From your Roblox, you have to go to create. In here, select store and select audio. And now go ahead and select your first song. Right click the song, copy asset ID. Go back to your Roblox Studio, paste here your copied music ID or sound ID and hit enter. That's how. Copy your second sound ID, select the second sound, add here second sound ID, hit enter. Do the same thing for your entire sound for playlist. And now again hover over on sound service, then click this plus icon and search for script, add script. Select the script, delete this print hello world, and you have to paste this script, and you get this script in my video description box or comment box. What this script does, this will play songs. One, after ending your first song, plays second song, then third song, loops playlist forever. And now we have to rename all of these sounds. So right click on rename. First song name will be song 1, hit enter. And the second sound will be song 2, hit enter. And the third song will be song 3 and hit enter. That's how. Go ahead and add multiple songs and rename song 1, song 2, song 3, song 4, song 5, etc, etc. Now select the first song and make sure to disable this playing and looped option. So select the second song, come to playback, make sure to uncheck looped and playing for each song. Now just go ahead and play your experience, and that's how you can actually add or make playlist in Roblox Studio.